Hey there, fellow educators and aspiring teachers. Welcome back to Annika Global's YouTube channel. In today's video, we have some exciting information to share with you about securing well-paid teaching jobs in New Zealand. So if you're ready to take your teaching career to new heights, make sure to gather all the necessary documents we're about to discuss and follow the steps we outline. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the essential documents you need to gather. To start your journey, you'll need to visit the website www.nzqa.gov.nz/international and apply online. Take your time and read everything very carefully. Once you receive a positive response stating that your qualification is equivalent to a New Zealand bachelor's degree, which is level 7, you're one step closer. Now, let's move on to step 2, your teaching license application. There are helpful videos on the government website that can guide you through the process of obtaining your license in New Zealand. However, here are the documents you'll need to get started. Document number 1, your international passport, driver's license, or national insurance number (NIN). Document number 2, your IELTS, TOEFL, RUCV scores. Make sure to check the Teaching Council's website at teachingcouncil.nz/gettingcertif to confirm which tests are acceptable. Document number 3, your transcripts, degrees, and the New Zealand Qualification Assessment, positive letter from IQA. Document number 4, an assessment of your teaching practice, including any observations or annual appraisals you've completed during your teaching career. Document number 5, any evidence of induction and mentoring you've undergone during your teaching career. Document number 6, any additional evidence, such as a medical certificate that supports your ability to teach. Document number 7, your teaching license, if you already have one, and an employment letter from the schools you have taught at stating your roles and achievements. And lastly, document number 8, a police character certificate. Now that you have all your documents ready, let's talk about how to apply. Please watch the video and the link provided above. teachingcouncil.nz/gettingcertif for detailed instructions. Here's a summary of the steps going. Step 1, get a NASL registration username and password. Step 2, use those details to log into the teacher's registration website as instructed in the video. Hapormatata Teaching Council NZ/S/. There you have it, fellow educators. By following these steps and gathering the necessary documents, you'll be well on your way to securing a well-paid teaching job in New Zealand. Remember, it's crucial to take your time, read everything carefully, and consult